In this episode of Code Unveiled, we will take a look at puzzle number 4 from Advent of Code 2023 called Scratchcards. Before viewing this video, we encourage you to try solving the problem independently. Let's take a look at the problem description. The gist of it is that we are given a list of scratch cards. Each line contains a list of winning numbers and a list of numbers on the scratch card. The first match makes the card worth 1 point, and each match after the first doubles the point value of that card. We must calculate the total amount of points the cards are worth. The solution is straightforward. We parse the input into a set of winning numbers and a set of card numbers. Number of matches we get as an intersection of these sets. Points the card is worth are 2 to the power of n minus 1, where n is number of matches, or the card is worth 0 if there is no match. In the second part, there are no points for the cards. Instead, if there is a match, we win more scratch cards. Specifically, we win copies of the scratch cards below the winning card, equal to the number of matches. We can recycle the code from the first part and tweak it in a few places. We introduce a scratch card counter with a default value of 1. For each scratch card, we add a number of scratch cards to the total, and if there is a match, we increment counters for n scratch cards below the winning one. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.